Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We are here at Flite Fest 2026. We've got a very unique plane. It's called an Infinity Wing. It's going to be a little hard to see. It's a white plane against a white background, but stay with us, folks. It's a really neat aircraft. I do apologize if it goes out of frame. This thing is rather difficult to capture because of the white appearance, but we'll do the best we can. Anyway, sit back, relax, enjoy the flight.
Okay. Oh my, what happened?
Very cool looking aircraft. It's all 3D printed. I did talk to the pilot. Very cool. Folks, I don't think we're going to need to, I think we may have to drop out the audio because of YouTube guidelines regarding copyrighted music, but hopefully we won't. But if we do, please stay with us. It's just neat to see the plane, and I do apologize that there won't be any sound if that happens anytime during the video. But they're playing some copyrighted music here. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that, folks. Folks, that's Infinity Wing butter right there. Infinity Wing butter. You've got a plane that unique, that lands that smooth, with a pilot that skilled. I mean, come on. Because that plane is just too cool for school. All right, friends. More to come.